Hey guys, welcome on in. In this video, I'm going to show you how to access the Freak the Mighty book. Now, the first thing I need to do is go down to Language Arts 7C and log in if I'm a student. And as you can see, my page opens up right on the modules, but yours may or may not. So if it did not do that, go ahead and access modules. And then you're going to see resources, and notice it is published, it's ready to go. So if you click on resources, now you can access the novel, and it is all scanned in. And notice if I click on this sidebar here and scroll down, I can view any page that I want to. So that is super fancy. This can even pop out if you'd rather go that direction. And so that's another awesome feature to access if you like that feature. Okay, now the next thing I need to show you real quick, so we're going to move to the bottom of the page here, is there is a downloadable version of the book, and it's a PDF. So if you click here, then it allows you to download the book, and you'll see right here it's loading, and if I click, boom, there it is. Now I've got it, and if I want to save it to my phone or something, I would just click this down arrow, and then I would pick a place to save it, click save, and then I'm done. Okay. So that's all you do. If you're having any difficulties or have questions, email me at chris.bagley@ccsdut.org, and that's Bagley, Baguley. Okay, thanks for tuning in, and good luck.